Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths class 5 by Children Voice Publications. Now chapter 13, Symmetry, Pattern and Nets. A shape which can be divided into two or more similar looking parts is called a symmetrical shape. A pattern is a sequence of figures, shapes, letters, etc. which show a recognizable change from first to second term, second to third and so on. So warm up, the first circle the symmetrical shapes. So we can try this one, like here A part, this is the symmetrical shape, this also, this also. The second one, draw the lines of symmetry, you can try this one. The third, draw the mirror image, means complete it, the same. You will complete it, okay. Now we are talking about symmetry and reflection. We observe symmetry in many things around us. Artists, designers of clothing, of jewelry, car manufacturers, architects and many others make use of the concept of symmetry in their profession. If we place a mirror along the line of symmetry, one cell of the figure appears in the mirror, which is a reflection of the figure. So see like this here, okay. So this is the line of symmetry, right? So line of symmetry, a symmetrical figure has a line of symmetry. A line can be drawn about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. Like here hexagon, a regular hexagon when all the sides are same. So we can draw 6 lines. Here circle, a circle has infinite lines of symmetry, and a trapezium has 1 line and a rectangle has 2 lines. So in the given figures we can see that the hexagon, circle, trapezium, rectangle have at least 1 line about which if the figure is folded, its one part exactly overlaps the other part. So hence these are symmetrical shapes. Now see assessment 1, question number 1. Draw reflections of the following figures about the dotted line. So we can complete it. The second one, complete the symmetric pattern given here. We can draw this one also. The third, draw the lines of symmetry for these shapes. So like this one, C part, this is a square. So square has 4 lines of symmetry along length, breadth and diagonals, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now we are talking about turns. You can also make patterns by turning a shape 1/4, half or 3/4 turn, etc. See, 1/4 means 1 right angle. 1/4 of a turn is 90 degree. Half of a turn means 180 degree, okay, and 3/4 means 270 degree, and 1 complete turn means 360 degree. So turns can be in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Now quarter turn means 1/4 of a turn. A quarter turn means 1/4. Observe the dot on the shape. The shape turns 1/4 at each step. See, we are turning it at 1/4. Okay, here we are turning it 3/4, right? Now, assessment 2, question number 1. Give each shape a quarter turn to complete the pattern. You can try this one. And the second one, what will come next? Draw it in your notebook. So you can try this one also. The third, how much has the shape been turned? कितना टर्न किया है हमने शेप को? So like this, 1 turn 90, then 2 turns. So here 2 turns means 180 degree, half. And then here you can just find it out, 1 complete turn. Same, 1 complete turn. Now we are talking about number patterns. You see patterns in natural things like leaves, flowers, stars, etc. Patterns can also be seen on cloths, railings, etc. Similarly, numbers can also be arranged in patterns. So, pattern in numbers refers to the logic by which the sequence of numbers is generated. Take a look at this sequence of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here each number is 2 more than the number on its immediate left. Consider 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. Here each number is obtained by adding 4 to the previous number. Now look at the sequence 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Are you able to guess what will be the next number? So let us observe this pattern. So 3, how we are getting 3 from 1? 1 into 2 plus 1, this is 3. Then 3 into 2 plus 1, 7. Then 7 into 2 plus 1, 15. Then next 15 into 2 plus 1, 31. Then 31 into 2 plus 1, 62 plus 1, 63. Okay, so answer is 63. Next we are talking about square numbers. The numbers that can be arranged in a square pattern are called square numbers, like here 1, 4, 9, 16. So these numbers are square numbers. Now we are talking about the properties of square numbers. The first one, let us learn about some interesting properties of square numbers. First square number is 1 and the other number is 4. 1 plus 3. 1 is the first odd number and this is the sum of first two odd numbers. Now third square number is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 means sum of first three odd numbers. Now fourth square number is 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 means sum of first four odd numbers. So following the same pattern, we can find the fifth square number as the sum of first 5 odd numbers, right? The second, the difference of two consecutive square numbers will be an odd number. See, 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 16 minus 9, 7. 25 minus 16, 9. Like this. Now the third, we add the consecutive odd numbers to the previous square number to obtain the series of square number. See, 1 here, 1 into 1. So 1 में हम 3 add कर दें, we are getting 4, that is a square number. Now 4 plus 5, 9, this is the square of 3. Then 9 plus 7, 16, square of 4. 16 plus 9, 25, square of 5. Now we are talking about triangular numbers. The numbers that can be arranged in a triangular are called triangular numbers, like this. Here 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. So these numbers are triangular numbers. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45 and 55. Now we are talking about the properties of triangular number. The first one, first triangular number is 1. Second is 3, yani first triangular number plus 2. Third is 6, yani second triangular number plus 3. Fourth triangular number is 10, means third triangular number plus 4. Okay. Now the second, adding two consecutive triangular numbers give us square number. 1 plus 3, 4. 6 plus 3, 9. 10 plus 6, 16. 15 plus 10, 25. The next is 3 is the only triangular number which is also a prime number. Now the fourth, multiply each triangular number by 9 and add 1 to the product as shown below. So 1 into 9 plus 1, 10. 3 into 9 plus 1, 28. 6 into 9 plus 1, 55. So we observe that the sum of 9 times the product of any triangular number and 1 is a triangular number. So this is also one property, very important. Now we are talking about patterns in calendar. We look at the calendar every day. Do you observe any pattern in it? Take any square 3 into 3 block of dates out of a sheet in the calendar. So consider like this here, like 20. So 9 plus 11, 16 plus 4, 17 plus 3, 2 plus 18. So you can observe these one. Now assessment 3, question number 1, express each square numbers as the sum of consecutive odd numbers. So you can try this one. The second, observe the following pattern, write the next two terms like A part. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. 4 plus 5. 4 into 4, 16. 9 plus 7. Next is 5 into 5. 25. So 25 means 16 plus 9. Next is 6 into 6, 36. It means 25 plus next odd number 11. So like this. The third, which of the following numbers can be arranged in a triangular pattern? Draw the dot pattern also. You can try this one. The fourth, write the square number just before 144. 144 is the 12th square. So just before it, 11th square, that is 121. Similarly, you can try fifth and sixth question. Now we are talking about nets. A net is a flat shape. It is used to make a solid shape when folded. Sometimes whenever you get any box like shoe box or pastry box, when you will open it, so that is the net of the box. So here, nets of a cube, there can be many different nets for a cube depending on how you unfold it, like this, this, this or this. So we can see the net of a cube has 6 faces and each of them is a square. Okay, ऐसे cuboid को अगर हम unfold करेंगे, you will get the 6 faces, but some are rectangles. Okay, so now different types of nets, like net of a cuboid, net of a cylinder, net of a cone. Now assessment 4, find out which 2 cube dies are made from the given net. So you can just find out. And the second one, some nets are given below. Which of these nets can be folded into a cube? So cube कौन से net से आ सकता है? You just find it out and draw one more valid net for a cube. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So try these things on your own, right? Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.